With just 4 eggs, you can create this beautiful, creamy dessert. Crack 4 eggs into a big bowl or a blender. Then add half-liter fresh milk. Pour in 400 grams evaporated milk and rich condensed milk, 400 grams for sweetness. Add 1 slice of bread. This makes the pudding extra soft and smooth. Blend everything until silky. Now let's prepare caramel. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons of sugar and heat on a low flame, stirring till it changes color. Then pour the mixture from the blender into the caramel-coated mold. Steam gently for 5 minutes and watch this creamy, melt-in-mouth egg pudding come alive. Check with a fork to make sure it's done. Turn the mold upside down on a serving plate. One spoon and you'll never forget this taste. This is not just pudding. This is pure comfort in every bite.